In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. Whether you are a business owner looking to promote your brand or an individual trying to build your personal brand, having a strong social media presence is crucial. However, managing multiple platforms and consistently creating engaging content can be overwhelming. That's where a well-organized content calendar comes into play. In this article, we will explore 5 essential tips to help you master your social media strategy using a content calendar. Plan ahead. The power of preparation. One of the biggest challenges in maintaining an active social media presence is consistently coming up with fresh and engaging content ideas. This is where planning ahead becomes invaluable. By creating a content calendar for the month or even the quarter ahead, you can ensure that you have a clear roadmap for what needs to be posted on each platform and when. Start by identifying key dates and events relevant to your industry or target audience. Holidays, product launches, awareness days, anything that could provide inspiration for themed posts or campaigns. Then allocate specific topics or themes for each day per week per month on your calendar. Know your audience. Tailor content for maximum impact. Understanding your target audience is essential in crafting effective social media content that resonates with them. Take the time to research their demographics, interests, pain points, and preferred communication style. Use this knowledge when planning out your content calendar. Tailor each post to address their needs and desires directly while aligning with their preferences, e.g., visual-heavy posts for Instagram users. By doing so, you increase the chances of capturing their attention and driving engagement. Diversify content formats. Keep it fresh and exciting. Variety is key when it comes to captivating your audience on social media platforms crowded with endless streams of information competing for attention spans shorter than ever before. In your content calendar, incorporate a mix of different content formats such as images, videos, infographics, blog posts, and user-generated content. This will not only keep your audience engaged but also allow you to repurpose existing content across various platforms for maximum reach. Optimize posting schedule. Timing is everything. Posting at the right time can significantly impact the visibility and engagement of your social media posts. Each platform has its own peak activity times when users are most likely to be active and receptive to new content. Research industry-wide best practices or use social media analytics tools to identify these optimal posting times for each platform you utilize. Incorporate this information into your content calendar by scheduling posts accordingly, ensuring that they are seen by the maximum number of people possible. Track and analyze results. Continuous improvement. The final tip in mastering your social media strategy with a content calendar is tracking and analyzing the results of your efforts. By monitoring key metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, conversions, and follower growth over time, you gain valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. Use these insights to refine your future strategies, replicate successful campaigns, or adjust tactics based on underperforming ones. Make it a habit to review these metrics regularly so that you can continuously improve upon them. Conclusion. Mastering social media requires careful planning and strategic execution, both of which can be achieved through an effective content calendar. By planning ahead, tailoring content for your audience's preferences, diversifying formats, optimizing posting schedules based on peak activity times per platform, and tracking results for continuous improvement, you'll be well on your way toward maximizing the impact of your social media strategy. So take charge today. Implement these 5 essential tips into creating an organized and efficient social media presence using a well-crafted content calendar.